to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the quilling weaving method, and we'll be making earrings using it. So let's get started. So the materials that you will need are quilling strips, Fevicol and earring hooks. Now the first thing that you need to do is glue two quilling strips together. So you need to use 4 different colors of the same size. So now over here I'm going to put a little bit of glue over here and glue these two together in this manner. So you leave it to dry for a few seconds. Then you'll put a little bit of glue over this, and I'm going to take another color and stick it over here. Then I'll put a little bit more glue and stick that over here. So mainly you need to stick 4 different colors in 4 different sides. So once the 4 have stuck nicely, you need to leave it to dry for a few seconds. So the first step is to take the strip that is facing towards you and put it in this manner between these 2 strips. Now make sure to leave a loop over here so that you can attach the last one through it later. Now the next step is to take the strip that is the left side of it, and you need to put it over the strip like this. Once you've done that, you're going to bring the strip that is between the 2 strips over here and put it downwards. And the last strip that you have, you need to put that through the loop like this. Now once you put it through the loop, this is how it should look. You need to pull these together and tighten it so that there's no gap in between. If you see, it's like a crisscross pattern over here. Now remember, you need to always start again with the color that you've put inside the loop. So now you will start with this color because this color was put in the loop. And your next step is the same way like the first. The left strip goes like this. The one in between goes down. And the leftover one goes again in the loop. Then once you've got it in the loop, you need to pull them together tightly. Then again you will start with the one that you put in the loop. Take this one in between, take this downwards and take this in the loop. Then you'll pull them together. Then you'll start with the strip that you've taken in the loop. Take the one to the left side this way. Then you will take this down and you will put this one in the center through the loop. So this is the procedure that you need to keep following till you've reached the end. Now once you've reached the end, and you can always add another strip if you want it to be longer than how much it is, or you can just leave it like that and then end it. So now once you've reached your desirable size, if you want you can add more later on, or you can end it this way. So now for ending it, what we need to do is take a little bit of glue towards the end like this, and then the color that you have looped in, you will start with that and stick it through this way. Then you will take this side one. It's the same procedure, but instead of putting this in the loop, you just need to stick this on top like this. If needed, you can put a little bit more glue. Then the leftover, you can either again stick it back or you can cut it out either with a scissor or with your finger. So this is how it looks. Now once that is done, what you need to do is take your roll and very gently do this. If you do it too harsh, then the strip can tear. So this is just to get the coil slightly loosened. Now what we need to do is put some glue on both ends. And then glue them together like this. So over here you have your circle in this manner. Now once you've glued it, you need to leave it for a while to dry, and you need to stick them close together for a while so that it does not come out. Once this one is made, you need to make the other one. For making the other one, you have to use the same color combination and place it in the exact same way like how you placed the previous one. Now after this, we need to attach the earring hooks. For attaching the earring hooks, you need to take this hook and this portion where the two parts of this hook join, you need to slightly open it like this, so there is a gap. Then you need to pick one color towards the portion where you've joined these two. So I'm going to take pink, and you're going to put that in like this. Once you've put it in, you're going to slightly bend it, and after bending it, you'll take this earring hook and place it in, and then you're going to join them back together. After joining them back together, you put the portion where they're joined downwards so that it gets covered and it's not visible. And this is how it looks. So I will show you again with the other one. The procedure is the same to open this, and you need to use the same color for joining the hooks. Then you put this hook inside and seal it together, and after that you slide this downwards. So this is how the earrings look, and this is the final result. So this is the method of making quilling earrings with the weaving method.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Comment any queries or video suggestions below. Subscribe to my channel for more content on music and art and craft. Don't forget to on the bell notification so you will be notified whenever I upload. Thank you for watching.